Getting started takes just a few minutes. Step 1. Create your account using your email and password. You'll receive a verification email. Just confirm it to activate your account. Step 2. Choose your plan. Basic is perfect if you're starting with one account. Pro is designed for scaling across 2 accounts with more control. Pro Unlimited is for advanced users running multiple accounts or managing larger capital. Step 3. Complete your payment. Once payment is successful, your dashboard unlocks instantly, no waiting. Step 4. Connect your MT4 or MT5 account using your broker login details. Step 5. Activate the AI bot. The system automatically configures optimal settings and starts trading gold based on live market conditions. What makes MevTrading different is its built-in protection system. The AI doesn't just trade, it protects your account. It pauses before high-impact news, stops during dangerous market conditions, and avoids unstable weekend gaps. All of this runs automatically to reduce unnecessary exposure and risk. You're always in control.
You can adjust risk level, conservative, moderate, or aggressive, lot sizing, automatic or fixed, stop loss and take profit, and maximum open trades. Each account can be customized based on your strategy and goals.
Inside your dashboard, you can monitor everything in real time. Your total balance, performance over the last 30 days, and active trading status. You also get access to the AI Trading Agent, a built-in assistant that helps you understand your setup, risk, and performance instantly. If you've been struggling with manual trading, overthinking entries, or inconsistent results, then it's time to switch to a structured system. Start by creating your account, verify your email, choose your plan, and connect your MT4 or MT5. You can observe how the system works first and activate automation when you're ready. Click the link below and get started with MevTrading today. Let the AI handle execution so you can focus on growth.